Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am just going to do a really quick video to share with you entries number 3 and 4 for my Get to Know You challenge. Now the challenge is almost over. It'll be closed out on the 31st of this month. So thank you for everybody who did participate, and I consider it a win-win. This was really fun, so anyways, I'm gonna stop talking so much and go ahead and share this entry with you guys. So I already opened this, and these are some pretty die cut butterflies. Now I do have some like this in my stash. I love them. They're great for card making and embellishments as well, scrapbooking, just some really beautiful butterfly die cuts. So thank you very much, Chelsea, for the die cuts. She also sent like a 3x3 note card. So let me show you the butterflies a little bit better. A bag of those, really nice. And then she also sent me a 3x3 note card. It says Happy Anything Day. So thank you so much, Chelsea. And she is at Sugarraycrafts here on YouTube, and I'll leave a link to her channel in the description box below so you guys can go and check Chelsea out. She's super sweet. And she makes lots of crafty videos here on YouTube. So thank you very much for participating, Chelsea. And let me show you guys her memory decks card. So she did like an under the sea themed memory decks card. Super pretty. She has this really pretty die cut. It's like a filigree die cut mermaid under the sea. She has some really pretty little seashells. It's dimensional, and she also has like these little, it almost looks like the rocks that in the ground that you would find under the ocean, actually. So this is really pretty. She glittered around the edges. The background has some inking done to it. These are little die cut like seaweeds. Super pretty. I love it, and I'm about to put this right in my memory decks box. I'm going to show you guys my memory decks box. This is the one that I made a while back, and so that's where I'm putting all you guys' memory decks cards. So super pretty. I love this. Oh my gosh, I don't know how long it might have took her to make this, but this is so pretty. I love it, Chelsea. Thank you so much. And she did include all of her information on the back of her card. Her favorite color is brown. Her favorite crafty items are glitter and paper. She loves Betty Crocker fruit snacks. And again, she is Sugarraycrafts here on YouTube. So thanks again, Chelsea. All right, and that goes right in my memory decks. Okay, I'm going to move this out of the way here. And the next entry I am going to show you guys came from Makazhome. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And let me just show you guys how she packaged her entry. Super cute. Look at that bag topper. This really pretty dimensional rosette here with the little flat black bling. It's some really pretty spring pastel colors. So pretty, and I love coffee and Starbucks, and I think that is so cute. So I'm just gonna open it up, and this is entry number 4. And she has all of her information on the back. Super pretty, dimensional. Has a really pretty large rosette layered with this like scallop die cut and this flower. And she added this really cute little dangle charm. She has colored this the picture of the coffee drink. Um, she has some polka dot paper. She has some lace down there. Really, really pretty. She has these pretty gold leaves here. So really pretty. Thank you so much. And I think it's pronounced Makalani. And she is Makazhome on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And I will leave a link to her channel in the description box below. You guys go and check her out. She loves all things Disney. And she was born in January on the 10th. That's her birthday. And she's a Capricorn. Thank you very much. I am going to add this to my memory dex card. Thank you for participating. I love your entry. It's so pretty. And yeah. I can't wait to get to know you guys better and swap some crafty goodies. And yeah, so that is entry number 4, guys. And I'm going to continue to check the box. So if you guys are sending anything in or want to send anything in, just continue to send. Even if it is after the 31st, I would still love to see your creations. Please go ahead and send them. Anyway, that is all for this video, guys. I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.